Hey everyone, welcome back to Bam Bam Print. I'm Nick, and in today's video we're going to be diving into the top list of 3D printing website resources. These are the go-to places where you can find everything from free 3D models to premium designs, the latest news, and even some hidden gems. I'm also going to give you the holy grail of 3D printing resources that you can't miss. I'll try and give you the important details about each website short and quick so we can fit it all into a reasonable amount of time. Alright, let's get started. First up, we have Thingiverse. Thingiverse is one of the original 3D printing marketplaces. It boasts a massive amount of models and offers a wealth of educational resources. Owned by Ultimaker, Thingiverse ensures that all models are free, making it a fantastic starting point for any 3D printing enthusiast. Next, we have Makerworld. Makerworld is another excellent marketplace for free 3D models. Owned by Bambu Labs, it integrates seamlessly with Bambu Studio, providing a convenient platform for users of Bambu Labs printers. Printables is another noteworthy mention. Printables is perfect for finding functional or organizational items. Owned by Prusa, this platform allows designers to sell their designs, but also offers many free models. It's a great resource for both purchasing and sharing 3D designs. Moving on, we have Colts 3D. Colts is a huge marketplace where you can sell your designs. It's my go-to place for buying dinosaur models. Although the site can have some speed issues, its extensive collection makes it worth a visit. CGtrader is another platform worth exploring. CGtrader is where you can buy models and hire top quality 3D artists. It's great for finding unique models not available on any marketplace. But be aware though, there is some adult content and models tend to be pricier. Sketchfab also offers some great options. Sketchfab allows you to sell your models with prices ranging from low to premium, depending on the artist. It's not as large as the other marketplaces, but it offers high quality designs. Next up is 3D Export. 3D Export offers a diverse range of models for purchase, making it a solid option for finding specific designs. And wrapping up this category is MyMiniFactory. MyMiniFactory is excellent for finding top quality miniatures. You can also purchase STL packs here, and many sellers offer monthly subscriptions that get you new models every month, similar to Patreon. And without further ado, let's go ahead and check out my holy grail for 3D printing. For my holy grail website, it's not going to be what you think. It's basically a 3D printing resource hub that gets updated periodically. It's broken up into 15 categories with over 90 different websites. It's a GitHub page, and I'll display the link right here on the screen and also add it into the description below. Alright, moving on to our next category, the 3D model search engines. For those who like to search multiple marketplaces, Thangs is a fantastic tool. Thangs scrapes various 3D model marketplaces, much like Google, helping you find the models you need quickly and efficiently. Similarly, Yeggi is another excellent search engine. Yeggi works in a similar fashion to Thangs, compiling a comprehensive list of available models from different marketplaces. Moving on to our next category, premium 3D model websites. If you're looking for premium models, Fab365 is a great place to start. Fab365 offers reasonably priced exclusive models, perfect for those who want something unique and high quality. Another premium site is Gambody. Gambody is where I'm currently printing a 3D Star Destroyer at 150%. The models here are very detailed and well organized for 3D printing, complete with instructions. The prices are premium, but the quality is definitely worth it. The next category is going to be our news sites. Staying updated with the latest 3D printing is crucial. All3DP is a fantastic resource for this. All3DP News provides the latest updates and news in the 3D printing world. TCT Magazine covers a wide range of topics, keeping you informed about innovations and developments. 3dprint.com is another great source. 3dprint.com covers the latest trends and developments in 3D printing, ensuring you stay updated. Alright, rounding up our last category is our miscellaneous 3D model sites. If you're looking for something a bit different, check out NASA's collection. NASA offers fantastic free models like moon landing sites, satellites, and rovers. My personal favorites are the moon landing sites and the craters. And of course, last but not least, we have the 3D printing subreddit. This subreddit is a community where you can find a little bit of everything: news, funny 3D printing memes, finished models, and all the help you can get on your question. Alright, and those are my top 3D printing website resources. From marketplaces and search engines to premium model sites and news outlets. These platforms will provide you with everything you need to enhance your 3D printing experience. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and happy printing!